Guys, amazing return. We just made 735% profit in this week. Trades I share in the private list was ZELIX, GAMEE, Open Leverage, TribeOne, SuperRare, and SuperVerse. Guys, insane return. Remember, we all focus on volume. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is $38,000. Our last call was to buy Bitcoin right here around $27,000. Don't worry about it. I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin and the main cryptos. We track those coins 24/7. Now, why should I say we should not care for Bitcoins cost $38,000? Take a look at this. SuperVerse right now costs 38 cents. So I shared this trade in the private list on November 19. We bought this coin before the pump for 12 cents and put us order up here at 45 cents. We made 250% profit. How I found this pump right here, how we bought this coin before the pump. Take a look at this. This is the chart. SuperVerse. Let's go to the full chart. Guys, pay attention, these numbers never lie. On November 18, the volume of this coin was 2.8 million. November 19, the volume of this coin was $24 million. It's called volume spike, guys. If you remember, I always say my software is tracking 3,000 coins and we focus coin running with high volume. Volume spike is the confirmation of the trend. Okay, so we made 250% profit in this trade. Next trade recap, another super hard. We made 100%. I shared this trade in the private list on November 22. Before the pump, we bought this coin for 6 cents and a half and put a sell order up here. Daily resistance 14 cents. We made 100%. I made $10,000. Exactly the same strategy, guys. Volume spike plus buyer power. Super hard. Exactly the same thing. Pay attention to these numbers, guys. Let's go to the full chart. Right here on November 21, the volume of this coin was 2.4 million. It's right there. On November 22, the volume of this coin was $13 million. That's the volume spike we are waiting for. Guys, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. I share all my trades in the private list. Also, we can trade for you and provide you 25% return of investment per week, guys. You're gonna make 25% sleeping. It's plain and simple. Don't worry about it. I will let you know when you should buy and sell a Bitcoin. That's all I got to say. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Remember, guys, this market is 24/7. Take a look how many coins I share in the private list on the last 2 weeks. Right now we are tracking 3,000 coins, guys. We can trade from anywhere in the world. All you gotta do is to have a laptop, computer, and internet connection. Trade crypto time at gmail.com. Thank you.